questions 6 through 9 are just kind of definition questions. Number 6 says, when df over dx is constant, what kind of function is f? So that means if the change, because df over dx is just your change, or your rate of change. So if the change is constant, then that means it is a line, or it's linear. So it is linear. So it's a linear function. Number 7 says, if df over dx has a constant value of 10, we know that f is a linear function, like we said in number 6. What is the slope of f? The slope will just be 10. So our slope is 10. Looking at number 8, it says, let Cn denote the cost of producing n items. The rate of change, dc over dn, is known as the marginal cost. Explain the meaning of the marginal cost in practical terms. So marginal cost is one of the applications of rate of change. It's its own thing. We haven't really talked about it yet, so I'm just going to define the definition right now. So dc over dn, the marginal cost is the additional cost expected if one additional item is produced. So whatever the additional cost, if you produce one extra item, what is the additional cost going to be for producing that one additional item? And question 9 has to deal with it. Question 9 says, your goal is to maximize profit. What value of the marginal profit should you seek? So marginal profit is very much related to marginal cost. So in order to do that, you would want to have a marginal profit of 0, meaning you can't make any more money even if you add an additional item. So the profit is at a maximum when the marginal profit is 0. So again, a lot of definition type questions, 6 through 9.